All right, today we're working on the van, but the fun part is that it's raining and we don't have a garage, so that's going to be super fun. And I also guess that every day we're pretty much working on the van because it's 2020 and pandemic, so we have to have some joys in life, and that has come in the scheme of working on the van. So I've always enjoyed building things, whether that's in a digital space or physical. So digitally, I'm a designer, and so I'm constantly building experiences. And so I wanted to take a lot of those theory and then bring it to the van. And so a lot of the things in the van, you can't really tell right now, but there's a lot of thought put into what goes where, how we use it to make this like the most optimal experience for our needs. Because every van is going to be different because every person's needs are going to be different. There's some things that we did or decided to do that are totally ridiculous for anyone else, but for us, it was really important. I've really enjoyed building out a van because it's given me something to do. It's given me something to obsess over while the craziness of the pandemic's been happening. And I've been able to not only play with things in like a digital space. I actually made most of this in the final build in a 3D program before I cut anything as far as like the panels, or the poles, which was super useful because just having to think about the engineering of it, how different points are coming together, what's going to be the most structurally sound. You really, for like a novice builder, you really don't know that till you can see it and realize how that load bearing things really come into place. The great thing about the van, at least that we saw this summer, because we've been in social distancing mode since March 5th, we're able to be on the road and not interact with anyone. We're able to go from point A to point B and just stop to pump gas when it's necessary. And so for us, it's been a really, really amazing, like a hopeful thing for us to figure out how we can maintain a semblance of what we did in the past, but then also do it being super safe and super isolated.